Hello. If you're watching this video, that means you're having trouble to set your up or down position in motorized shades. Allen Roth brand. So most common problem people have when you do setting process by manual, you set it up at the wrong height, not desired height, and then you can't reset it again because it's already set and memorized the wrong position if you did it by mistake. So what you do, you need to factory reset your shade. How to do that, I could only find on forums. For some reason it's not in manual. So you hold up and down button on your remote that's already paired with the shade. Hold up and down and wait until shade vibrates. After it's vibrated, hold up and stop also until the shade vibrates. Once shade vibrated, it's reset to factory settings. Now you can start the setting process again and make sure you stop it at the right height, the one you want, and memorize it. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.